Good morning, children. How are you all? Okay, thank you. I am also fine. Welcome back to our online classes, day 3. Yes, in the previous class, we were discussing about, yes, factors. Then what is a factor? Yes, factor of a number is a number that divides the number completely, exactly that divides the number. And yes, we know how to find the factors of a number. If you are finding the factor of a 8 and 12, see here, this is a 8 and 12. First write what? The number 1 and itself is a factor, and again 2 in the table of 2. Yes, 2 is there. In the table of 4, again 8 lies, again 8. These are the factors. For the 12, 1, yes 2, 2 6 are 12, yes 3 4 are, again 6 and 12. These are the factors. Here, yes, see the common factors. How to find the common factors? 1, 1. The common factors are 1 and 2. Here also 2. Yes, 4. Here 4. Yes, 8 is not the common and 12 is 6 is not common. Again, which is the highest? SCF. SCF highest common factor of these 8 and 12 is 4. 4 is the highest one. Yes or no? This we have learnt in the previous standard. Now, today we will see about the multiples. Then what do you mean by multiple? What are the multiples? So you see this also. Here see one example I will give. Just yes. Here 4 is there. Yes. This 4. Yes, we can write multiple. Multiple means the multiples of a 4. We can write when we multiply with the number, with any number. By this one, 4 into 1 time, yes, we get a 4. 4 into 2 time, 4 2s are, yes, we get 8. 4 into any number except 0. 4 into any number, 4 3s are 12. These numbers we call as a multiples of a 4. What are the multiples of 4? Yes, if a number is multiplied by any number except 0, what product we will get? That is called the, yes, multiples. That's why we can say the multiples are the product obtained by the, yes, a number and except 0. Any number with the except 0. A multiple of a number is the product obtained when the given number is multiplied by any number except 0. That is we call the multiples of the numbers. That definition we have to take. What are the multiples or multiple? What is the multiple? A multiple of a number is the product, right? Multiple. Yes, a multiple of a number is a multiple of a number is product, is the product obtained by yes, when given number is multiplied by any number except 0. Yes, here you should multiply a given number with any number except 0. What product will you get? The product is called the multiple of a number, multiple of a given number. Example, if you want the product multiple of 2, yes, multiple of, write the multiple of, write the 4 multiples of first 4. We can take, write the first 4 multiples of 2. Then 2 into first 4 means 2 into 1 is 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 into 4, yes, 8. These are the first 4. 2 into 1, 1 times 2 is 2. Yes, 1 times 4, 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 2 is 6 and 4 times 2 is 8. These are the first 4 multiples of 2. Very simple these are. First 10 means thus 2 on the table up to 10. 2 on the 2. Yes, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yes, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. First 10. Like this, very simple. This is the product you will get when a given number is here 2 is multiplied with any number except 0. If you multiply 2 into 0, you will get 0. Yes or no? This 0 is not a multiple of 2. It is not a multiple of 2. The multiples, these are, yes, greater than or equal to the given number. It's a very important. First you learn here how to find the multiple. Multiple means a product which will obtain when the given number is multiplied by any number, yes, except 0. Clear? Take this one in your notebook. Write the definition and practice it. Next, after this, to find the multiples of a numbers, there are some rules. Rules means we should know these points. What are those? Yes, first, every number is a multiple of 1. We should remember this. Every number is a multiple of 1. If there is a number 6, it is a multiple of 1. Yes, 1 time 1, 2 times 1, 3 times 1, 4 times, 6 times 1 is 6. We say no. That's why you can say every number is a multiple of, yes, 1, and the number of the multiples of any number can be obtained from the multiplication tables. From the multiplication tables, we can obtain the multiples of any number is a set of numbers that does not end. Means here see the points important. First, every number is a multiple of 1. We should remember every number is a multiple of 1. Next, yes, you can write multiples are yes, infinite. Every number has a infinite multiples. You can write every number has infinite multiples. Means countless. We cannot count that those many multiples has every numbers. Continuous. 2 1 2, 2 2 4. Yes, 6, 8, 10, 12, you know, up to 20. Other than that also 22, 24, 26, like that. Countless. These are the multiples of 2. Like that only multiples of 4, 8, 12, yes, 16, 20, 24, 28, like this continues. Yes, these are endless. Endless means we cannot count. There is no end of the multiples. And for that only we say the word infinite. Infinite means there is no end. One more, multiples means these are the tables only. That's it, does not end. Tables only. These multiples rise in the tables of a number. That is, the multiples of any number can be obtained from its multiplication table. Yes, multiples of any number can be obtained from its multiplication tables. Yes, this we should know. Multiples of any number can be obtained from its multiplication tables. First, these three are very important. Every number has a, yes, every number is a multiple of 1. Every number, any number you take, is a multiple of 1, any number, then every number has infinite multiples, and multiples of any number can be obtained from its tables only. Yes, means tables, if you know the tables, then you can write the first 10 multiples very easily. Here some multiples are given. List the first 10 multiples of each number. The question is from your textbook only. Yes, page number 153. Write these two neatly in your notebook. These three, yes, multiples here obtained from its, yes, multiples of any number can be obtained from its multiplication tables. Take down this neatly, write in notebook, write clearly. Yes, clear? Okay. You will write first 10 multiples of some numbers. In your textbook only the given. Yes. From questions, first one, list the first 10 multiples of each number. List the first 10 multiples of each number. Yes, you should multiply a number with 1 to 10. A, first one, 5. List 5. Yes, it's just 5 on the table only. Don't worry, write fast. The number itself is a multiple of a number. Itself is a multiple means first 5. Yes, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Yes, 35, 40, 45, 50. 5 on the table only. See, read with me, count with me. 5 on the 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 6 is 15, 5 4 is 20, 5 5 is 25, 5 6 is 30, 5 7 is 35, 5 8 is 40, 5 9 is 45, 5 10 is 50. How many they ask? Yes, first 10. Next number is, yes, 3. Very simple. Just count the 3 on the table. Good. Very good. Yes. Good. 6 are. Yes. 7 are. Good. 9 are. 3 10s are. 30. Then these are the first 10 multiples of 3. Very good. Next question. Yes, see. Yes, list the first 7. First 10 multiples of 7. Yes. Read loudly with me. 7 on the 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35, 7 6 is 42, 7 7 is 49, 7 8 is 56, 7 9 is 63, 7 10 is 70. These are the first 10 multiples of 7. Next we can take, write the first 10 multiples of 6. Simple question. 6 on the table. Yes, count with me. 6 on the 6, 6 2 is 12. Loudly. 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30, 6 6 is 36. Good. 6 7 is 42, 6 8 is 48, 6 9 is 54, 6 10 is 60. First 10. Clear? Is there any doubt? If you have doubt, give a call to me. Yes, next one. List the first 10 multiples of 4. Yes, count 4 on that. I will not count, you only count it loudly. Yes. Correct. Next. Very good. Yes. 9s are. Yes. 36. 4 10s are 40. 4 on the 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20, 4 6 is 24, 4 7 is 28, 4 8 is 32, 4 9 is 36, 4 10 is 40. These are the first 10 multiples of 5. Yes, 6, these 3s, 7s and 6 and it's a good 4s. Clear? Is there any doubt? Okay, write these neatly in your textbook also. There is a space in the page number 153 and write this one copy in your notebook also. Next, one more question. Yes, again, list the first 10 multiples of each number. List the first 10 multiples of each number. Same question. The numbers are different here. Yes. What are the numbers? Write question first. List the first 10 multiples of each number. In that A, yes, 2. Very simple. I will say, sir. We are learning from LKG. Play home. Yes. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are yes 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. Yes, count. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20. First 10. Yes, clear? Next question is list of first 10 90. Yes. Very tough, sir. We don't know the table of 90. Do you know the table of 9? After that, just insert 1 0. That is a 90 only. How? I will write first 9 ones are 9. 1 0. 90 ones are 90. 9 twos are 18. After that, 0. 9 threes are 27. Yes. 9 fours are 36. 1 0 you insert. 9 fives are 45. 9 sixes are 54. 9 sevens are 63. 9 eights are 72. 9 nines are 81. 9 tens are 90. Yes, 90. After that there is a 1 0. After 9 on the table, just you insert 1 0. There is a first 10 multiples of this 90. Simple, no? Clear? Okay. One more. Seat 1. 8. Simple number given. 8. Count 8 ones are with me. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 sixes are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 64. 8 nines are 72. 8 tens are 80. Done? Any doubt? Simple these questions. Yes, deep one. Find the multiples of 80. Very simple. Here 8 ones is there. After that, everywhere just to insert one more 0. That much. 8 ones are 80 ones are 80. 82s are 160. Yes, 24 after 1 0. 32 after here 1 0. 40 after 1 0 means 400. Yes, 480 after 1 0. 560. 640. 720 and 800. Very simple, no? Is there any doubt? Very simple. Write these neatly in your textbook and as well as in your notebook. If you have any doubt, give a call to me. There is a no doubt. Very simple questions to find the multiples. Yes. Next, one more is there. E16. 16. Yes, we all learned the tables. I told you to memorize minimum 1 to 30 tables. Minimum 30. Yes. I think all you practiced or not. You should practice. 16. Yes, count with me. 16 ones are 16. 16 twos are 32. 16 threes are 48. 16 fours are 64. 16 fives are correct 80. 16 sixes are 96. 16 sevens are 112. 16 eights are 128. 16 nines are 144. 16 tens are 160. Clear? Is there any doubt? Okay. Again, write the first 10 multiples of each number. 11. We can take, this is another question only. Yes, 11. 11 is 11. 11 twos are 22, 11 3 is 33, 11 4 is 44, 11 5 is 55, 11 6 is 66, 11 7 is 77, 11 8 is 88, 11 9 is 99, 11 10 is 110. One more number, 12, 13, 14, D and 15. We can write it. First 10 means tables only. If you get any doubts, give a call to me. Write these all multiples. 12s, 13s, 14s and 15s. Is there any doubt about the multiples? First, what are the multiples? Multiples of a number is a product obtained by when a given number is multiplied by any number except 0. And one more thing you should remember, every number is a multiple of 1 and multiples of a numbers are infinite. Multiples of a number are infinite and the multiples means it's nothing but table, multiplication table. Where will you get? You will get in the multiplication tables. Write this and next we will go for the LCM. LCM means least common multiples. How we discuss in the SCF. SCF means least common, highest common factors. Highest common factors, or we can call one more name, greatest common divisor, GCD. GCD means greatest common divisor. Factor means it's a divisor only. Yes or no? Here LCM. LCM. LCM means what? Least. L is for least, C for common, M for multiple. Least common multiple. HCF. HCF. What it mean? Yes, highest common factor, or GCD we can call it as GCD. What is GCD? Greatest. Highest means greatest common divisor. Greatest common divisor or highest common factor, both are the same. Here LCM means least common multiple. We know to find the multiples of a number. That is the table, multiples of a number. In that, find the multiples of 2 or more numbers. Find the multiples of 2 or more numbers. In that, we can find the common one, which is the common again in that smallest one. Yes, here there is a number. You can take 4 and 12. 4 and 12. Now write the first 5 are some multiples. Multiples of 4. Multiples of 4. We can write 4 on the 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20, 4 6 is 24, 4 7 is 28, 4 8 is 32. Yes. 4 9 is 36, 4 10 is 40, again 44, 48, like this continues. Yes or no? These are the multiples of 4. Then multiples of 12. What are the multiples of 12? This is a very important topic. LCM, how to find the LCM? Very important. Yes, first multiple is 12. 12 2 is 24, 12 3 is 36, 12 4 is 48, 12 5 is 60, 12 6 is 72, 12 7 is 84, like this continues. Here see, which are the common are they? List out common multiples. Common multiples of 4 and 12 are. Which are the common? Yes, here 4 is not 12. 12. Yes, 24. 24. Again 36. 36. 48. 48. Like this again, so many are there. We can take this common. First three I will take 12, 24, 36 and 48. Like this. This is also continuous. Again there are there. Are there? No. But we cannot count. But we can show and so on. Continue. Here see, out of this 4, out of this, which is the smallest one? Which number is the smallest one out of this 12, 24, 36, 48? Good. This 12 is the smallest one. That's why we can call smallest one or least. Least common. Yes. Least common multiple. Least common multiple. Then we got the LCM. LCM means least common multiple of this 4 and 12 is, what is that? 12. The least common multiple of 4 and 12 is 12. How? The first multiples of 4 are these many are there. Again the multiples of 12 we return some. Out of that the common we taken. In that common, which is the least? Smallest one is the 12. That's why we can call LCM is the least common multiple. Clear? Least means smallest one. Smallest common multiple we can call as the LCM. LCM is the short form. Least common multiple. How to find? Clear? First, how you have got the HCF, highest common divisor, factor, greatest common divisor, like that only. First you have to find the some multiples and of both numbers or 3 or more. If 3 or more, one more small one example I will take. The common multiples of, find the LCM of, yes, 3 and 4. The common multiples of 3 and 4. Yes, we can write first. Yes, this is the question. Answer, solution. Write multiples of 3. What are the multiples of 3? Yes, we can write 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 18, 3 6 is 3 5 is 15, 3 6 is 10, 3 7 is 21. Yes or no? Like this, I wrote first 10 and so on. And next write multiples of 4. What are the multiples of 4? Here write again first 10, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Here write the common multiples. What are the common multiples? Common multiples of 3 and 4. What are those? Circle here. 3 is not there, 4 is not there, 6, 9, 12. Yes, 12. Again 24. 24. Here there is no. Again we can write the common multiples of first two, 12 and 24 and so on. Yes or no? Here which is the least one? Smallest one is, first one is the least. Hence we can say LCM. Therefore LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. Very simple this one. To find the LCM of the given numbers. Clear? Is there any doubt? No doubt? Okay, we'll take one more example. Find the LCM of Yes, some numbers here 8 and 4 and 8. Find the LCM of 4 and 8. Very simple this is. How? First write multiples of 4 are. What are those? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Yes, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. Yes, 52, 56. Add 4 going, add 4 like this. Again, multiples of 8 are, yes, 8, 16, 24, 32, yes, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, 96 and so on. Here write the common multiples. Common multiples are, what are those common? Here, yes, 8, 8, 16, 16, 24, 24, 32, 32, 40, 40, 48, 48, 56, 56 and so on. Continues. Write those common 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48 and continue. So now out of this, which is the least LCM of 4 and 8 is, which is the least one here out of these? Good. This 8 is the common least multiple, least common multiple. Hence we can say the LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. Clear? Very simple this is. This we can divide this 8 also. Yes, 4 is the factor of 8 and 8 is also the factor of itself. We can divide. That's why least common multiple is 8. Very simple this is. Is there any doubt? No doubt. Okay. First, here 3 steps are there. First step to find the LCM. Yes, list the multiples of the given number. We listed the multiples of the given number. Both common multiples. Then third step, which is the choose the smallest number. Smallest common multiple, that is the yes. That's given in your textbook. List the multiple of all the given numbers and identify the common multiples of the given numbers. Identify the common multiples of the given numbers and write the least common multiple of all the given numbers. Here only 2 numbers are given. The common is 8. Clear? If 3 numbers are given, we will see one example. If the 3 numbers are given, how to find the LCM of these 3 numbers? Same method, same steps follow. First, list the multiples of all the numbers. Here the 3 numbers are 2, 4 and 10. Find the LCM of 2, 4 and 10. Very simple. First step, multiples of all the numbers. 2. What are the multiples of 2? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24 and so on. Here multiples of 4. What are 4? 4, 8, 12, yes, 16, 20, 24. Again, tell next number. 28, 32, 36 and so on. Yes, multiples of 10. Very simple. 10 ones are Yes, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and so. One step over. And next step, list the common multiples. Common multiples. What are the common? Yes, here 10. Sorry. Here first 4, 4, 4. Here 10 no. Here 10, but here 10 is not there. First is 20 we can take. Here also 20. Here also 20. Here there is a 40 again. Here also 40 will come. Here next number is a 40. Yes or no? Then again it will continue. Then here 40 is also common and here 40. Then we can write the common multiples. Begins with 20, 40, 60 and 80. Like this it will continue. Among these, which is the smallest one? Yes. Therefore, LCM least common multiple of 2, 4 and 10 is first one. The smallest one is the least. That is the multiple is the LCM of these three numbers. Clear? Is there any doubt? No doubt. 3 steps. First write the multiples of all and list the common one and choose the smallest one. Among those, which is the smallest one, you take smallest one, then we can get the LCM of the given numbers. Is there any doubt? Okay. We will solve some questions from your textbook. In your textbook, some questions are given. We will solve those. Very simple questions. Open page number, yes, 154. Open the page number 154. In that, the table given. Find the LCM of these given numbers. Find the LCM of these given numbers. These given numbers. The table is first given numbers. Here the numbers are given. Given numbers. Next column is multiples. Right here multiples. And next column is common multiples. And last one is LCM of, or you can write LCM. This is the table. Yes, we can find. Yes, the given numbers are first A 4 and 6. The multiples of 4 and 6. Right, multiples of 4. Yes, 4, 8, 12. Yes, 16, 20, 24. The multiples of 6, 6, 12. Yes, 18, 24. Continues 30 like this. Here, which are the common? If you want, take only 2 or 3 you can take. Okay. Yes, here common are. Yes, see here, write common factors, the common multiples. 12, 12, 24, 24. You can write 2 or 3, I don't know. Then 12 and 24, 36 like this, it will be common. Then which is among this, which is the smallest one? Yes, 12 is the smallest one multiple. Then LCM we go. Like this, if 3 numbers are also there, we can solve in your textbook given. You have to solve those and remaining problems we will see in the next class. Okay, thank you.